You have came here to meet me.
Yes. Hi, I'm Sanju.
Oh God, is my family blind? Without even seeing, without even thinking, they accept anybody's proposal?
Why are you saying this? You first come sit here. We'll talk. Come.
You want to talk to me? Okay. Fine, I'm sitting. Tell me what you want to talk.
Our families were about to fix our marriage, but I told them that I want to meet the girl before getting engaged. That's why I called you to meet me here.
From which car you have came?
From cab,
What do you do?
I have my own business.
Business. Of begging?
What do you mean?
Beggar's business is of begging only?
And why do you think so?
Looking at your condition, this company's t-shirt that you're wearing, I can clearly see that you're working in a delivery company, you're doing deliveries, and you're coming wearing slippers meeting a girl. I was looking for that type of guy who comes here from an expensive car, wearing so costly suit, looking so handsome hunk type. Looking at you now, my all dreams have become zero.
Ma'am, I prefer to stay simple.
Simple. Those who doesn't have anything, na, they speak like this only. They show off of being simple.
In my opinion, not the person who wears good clothes, but the person who has good thoughts is rich.
By saying big things, no one becomes like Ambani's. You should have money. Just came. Spoiled my whole mood and time as well. Dad, it's my interview today. If today I will get this job now, my life will get changed.
You will definitely get this job. Go and give the interview well.
Thank you, Dad. May I come in, sir?
Come in. Sit. Your name?
Swara,
Swara, give me your resume.
you recognized me.
Clothes can change, places can change, but faces and memories don't.
You are the owner of this so big company, so that is why you came in that company's t-shirt and slippers.
Company's t-shirt. I'm still wearing that t-shirt today. And why shouldn't I wear? My employee is wearing my company's t-shirt. Now why shouldn't I? And nowadays, people show off a lot. A person who shows off his things, wears expensive dresses, travels around in expensive cars. Girls like them. I have everything. If I came in a good car and wore good clothes, then he would also like me. But I want to marry a girl who doesn't care about my money or my work or anything. Rather, she should marry me after seeing my thinking and my humanity, not by looking my money and car and everything.
I'm so sorry, sir. I said you so many things that day. And whatever I said that day, it was because of my small mindset. I made you felt so bad, I didn't even consider you a human being.
I took your test that day and you failed in that. I and my mother have seen a lot of poverty. And she always says that a person does not become rich by his clothes or car, but by his thinking.
Your mom says absolutely true, sir. I think my mom was not able to teach me this. Or maybe that I am the one who is indulged in this show off world. Sir, please, if possible, please forgive me.
Look, I don't care about your apology. But if you are really ashamed of your things, then I would just like to say that never judge anyone by their clothes. And if you want to judge someone, then judge him on the basis of his thinking and his humanity.
No, sir, not at all. From now, I won't judge any book from its cover at all.
Good. So, let's start your interview.
You are taking my interview?
Why? Don't want to give it?
No, I want to give, sir, but I thought I disrespected you a lot, whatever I did. After that, you won't take my interview or you won't give me job in your company.
Look, I will give you a job based on your ability and not based on what you did to me. And I don't think that from now on you will behave with anyone the way you did with me.
No, sir, I won't do it again.
Come on, give me your resume. You can join from tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Best of luck.
Thank you, sir, and I'm so sorry.